Swift, a modern programming language for app development. In this video I'm going to talk about Swift, a modern programming language for app development. Swift is a powerful and intuitive language that's easy to learn, and it's quickly becoming the go-to language for iOS and macOS app development. What is Swift? Swift is a general-purpose, multi-paradigm, compiled programming language developed by Apple Incorporated and the open-source community. First released in 2014, Swift was developed as a replacement for Apple's earlier programming language Objective-C, as Objective-C had become increasingly difficult to maintain and extend. Swift is designed to be more expressive, safe, and efficient than Objective-C. Why use Swift? There are many reasons to use Swift for app development. Here are a few of the most important. Swift is fast. Swift code is compiled into native machine code, which makes it much faster than interpreted languages like JavaScript. Swift is safe. Swift is a type-safe language, which means that the compiler can catch many errors at compile time, preventing them from causing problems at runtime. Swift is modern. Swift is a modern language that takes advantage of the latest advances in programming language design. It has features like closures, generics, and optionals that make it easier to write code that is both correct and efficient. How to learn Swift? If you're interested in learning Swift, there are many resources available to help you get started. Apple provides a free Swift programming language guide, as well as a number of tutorials and sample code. There are also many third-party resources available, including books, online courses, and IDE extensions. The future of Swift. Swift is a rapidly growing language, and it's clear that it's here to stay. Apple is committed to Swift, and the language is constantly being updated with new features and improvements. As more and more developers adopt Swift, it's likely to become the dominant language for iOS and macOS app development. I hope you found it informative. Associative V provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 9028850524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.